There's nothing else that does the sculpture of the face. And that's where microcurrent comes in. What we're going to do is we're going to come back in and we're going to physically move the muscles into a shorter position. And that's a
Yeah.
form of what we call kinesiology. It's just like massage. And we actually have this really cool technology that we call K4 iTech. This is actually spring loaded. So what happens is when I grab the muscle on the face here and I put this down, what's happening is there's tension moving upward. So it's
Yeah.
actually pushing that muscle into a shorter position. So if we're reactivating these muscles, we're physically pushing them in that spot, increasing ATP, and then also activating a little bit of muscle frequency. So reactivating those muscles, it starts to reconnect the neural pathways to that muscle that this is where this needs to be. We have heard and seen so many anecdotal stories and responses and observations where people have used it on stroke victims because what it does is it starts to reconnect the neural pathways from an electrical standpoint. And so those muscles basically start to reconnect and they have an idea now of where they need to be. When there's no electrical pathways that are connected, it's a full droop, right? If you can reconnect those, now all of a sudden that muscle can start to act at least a little bit more similar to how it did before. Some people have complete recovery.